About this item: plug and play. This USB-C SD card reader is designed with a built-in USB-C cord that won't block your other ports, no third-party app, no network, no driver, no extra power, two-way transfer, plug and play. USB-C SD card reader. This USB-C SD card reader supports SD/microSD cards, let you to easily browse and copy photos and videos from your cameras, and quickly share your beautiful moments. USB-C to USB OTG adapter support SD/microSD cards, but also compatible with all kind of cameras, flash drives, keyboard, mice, hard disk, etc. Great convenience for you to transfer files between different devices. Widely compatible. The USB-C SD card reader compatible with iPad Pro 12.9-inch 6th Gen/5th Gen/4th Gen/3th Gen, iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen/3th Gen/2th Gen/1th Gen, iPad Air 11-inch 5th Gen/4th Gen, iPad Mini 6th Gen, iPad 10th General, and compatible with MacBook Pro/Air, iMac, Mac, Samsung Galaxy S10/S9/S8, Google Pixel, and other different models of USB-C phones and tablets. Compatible with USB-C iPad OS/Mac OS devices. This Type-C SD card reader is compatible with iPad Pro/Air with a USB-C connector. You can easily transfer photos and videos to your iPad using iPad OS built-in Files app. It supports two-way transmission. Warm tips: this USB-C SD card reader has a USB-C connector, not compatible with iPhone, and the SD card, micro card cannot be reading simultaneously, but the SD